So I was trying to think of a good joke for the intro of this very niche video on custom menu links inside of HighLevel, and this is the best one I could think of. Ready? Okay, so 2 custom menu links walk into a bar. That's all I got so far. In this video, I'm going to cover what custom menu links are, how to use it, 2 cool demonstrations, a couple really cool examples, and 1 random example. After this video, you will not only get a complete understanding on custom menu links and why you have to use it, but you will also get access to a couple surprises if you stay until the end. I promise this video is better than the joke. Okay, let's dive straight in. Okay, so what are custom menu links? If you look inside your HighLevel account, on the left-hand side here, these are the menus. From the dashboard all the way down to the mobile app, these are the native menu links that HighLevel already has inside the account. But you'll see in our account, we have a couple more at the bottom. These are what we call custom menu links. Menu links that you can customize to do whatever you want. So when you click on them, you can bring whatever you want straight into the platform. For example, if I click on our Facebook community, it will take us to the Facebook community. If you want a custom menu link to show up inside your sub accounts, all you have to do is go to the agency level by clicking this button here, then the blue button saying switch to agency view, and then we're going to come down to settings, and then you'll see an option called custom menu links. In the top right corner, we'll have a blue button where we can create a new one. But once we've created one and we want to rearrange the order that appear inside the sub account, then you can do that by clicking on this button here. When you do, you'll have this pop up where you can just drag and readjust the order. Once you're happy, click on apply and it's done. But again, to create one, click on the blue button, and then we're going to select the link icon. The link icon is that little picture that shows up next to the word inside the menu. So you can choose it to be whatever you want. In this case, I will choose the YouTube logo, give the menu a title, paste in the URL. This link can be to anything that you want. It can be to an external website, to a custom page or website that you built inside of HighLevel, and so much more. I'm going to show you a couple cool examples in a minute. Then you can choose to open the link within the current window, open in a new page, or to open in the current window. So the first option is pretty much to say that you want to open up this link while still being inside the platform. If you wanted to take the person outside the platform, like it did on the Facebook group, then you would click on open in new tab. Then if you scroll on further, you can choose your sidebar preference, whether you want it to show up inside the agency sidebar or the sub account sidebar or both. And then what's super cool is that you can select which sub accounts you want to display this custom menu link inside of. So you can create one, but you don't have to show it to every single sub account inside your agency. So click on that, choose your account or click on all, and then below here you can choose who you want to see that custom menu link. So when you click on that, you can choose all, a user or an admin. I will say user, and then we have permissions here at the bottom, which is to allow microphone and allow camera. If you are sending people to a link that requires a microphone or camera access, then make sure you toggle these 2 on. And then when you're done, click on save, and you'll see in the sub account that we chose right at the bottom, we have this new custom menu link. You can use custom menu links for a whole bunch of different things. Take a look at this example. For us, we use it as a launchpad for new customers where they can see a video by Keaton with a welcome message and a button to book an onboarding call. Then if I scroll down, there are more frequently used links in the form of a button. This helps guide users down the necessary steps to get their account up and running quickly. So you can see we built this out in a couple of steps. It's a very nice flow to follow, and by the time they get to the end, they are ready to rock and roll with their account. So if you wanted to build something like this, you can simply do it inside the website builder, and then you just take that link and you paste it in the custom menu link. Keaton already made a whole video on building this thing out. If you want the link to this template for free, I will put it in the description below. But just to show you how simple it is to build, if you go over to sites, go to funnels or websites and click on new funnel. In this case, I'll just choose from a template, click on continue. I'm just going to choose a random example over here. This one looks good. It will then take me to the funnel or website builder. So you can customize it to look however you want. In our case, the launchpad is to onboard clients. If you want to do the same, then just design it the way you want. If you want to add a button, just click on the blue button, come over to the left-hand side and click on button again. And then when you click on it, on the right-hand side here, if you scroll down, click on link to, say website URL, and then paste the link to the website there. That means when the person clicks on this button, it will then take them to that website. And again, you can put anything you want here, like media for people to download, links to other websites, links to your community. So you've pretty much created a link tree of one page that you add as a custom menu link, since you can only add one link. So let's say you've built out your website and you're ready to display it as a custom menu link. All you have to do is click on save and then come over here and click on this link. When you do, it will open up a new page. Just copy that link. Then again, go back to your agency view, which again is in the top left corner. This button down to settings, and then over here, and then click on create new, choose your icon, give it a title, add the URL, select your sub account, and then click on save. Once again, if I come to the sub account, right on the left hand side, if I scroll down, I will see the launchpad example that when clicked will display that website that I built. I want to show you one more demonstration before I show you a whole bunch of really cool examples of what other people have built. This example is to add a whiteboard right into the account. This could be useful for when you're on a call with a client and you quickly want to draw a diagram or just jot some points down. Then you can go to this free site called TL Draw, copy that link, come back, call the menu whatever you want. I said whiteboard, paste that link here and then scroll down, add your sub account or all your accounts, and then click on save. Now if I go back and then come down here to the whiteboard, you can see I can draw right inside of my account. It's a cool menu option to have, especially if you're filming a video or explaining something inside your account. And if you can have it, then why not? Okay, so I'm about to show you some really cool examples of what the HighLevel community has gone ahead and built that takes custom menu links to a whole new level. Before I do, there's one more random example that I want to show you. In this guy's account, he added a custom menu link that shows if OpenAI or ChatGPT has any outages. Since he is selling AI products, sometimes this happens. So he just added it so that his clients can go and click on it to see if the servers are down. Now to show you some crazy examples. These next few are from GoHighLevel plugins. I will leave a link to the description down below where you can get access to this. So they built a custom menu link where you can host all your SOPs, your clients can access it, your team can access it. You can read through all the documents without having to go to Google or to Notion or anything else. It's just all inside the account. You can even create ones from scratch. I think that's an excellent addition and super useful for teams. This other one, also from GHL plugins, is a full-on support or ticketing system inside of HighLevel. So if you have clients and they have requests or if they have support issues, instead of them emailing you or sending you an SMS where everything is completely scattered, they've built an in-house ticketing system where your team can manage it as well as the clients see the progress of their ticket. I think that one's pretty cool. The next one is a board for project management. This is also useful for internal teams in the style of a Kanban board. They also have a custom launchpad. This is like the example that I showed you earlier. Their layout is a bit different, but also customizable, where they have a whole bunch of buttons that take you to different areas inside the account or into different websites. Again, if you want any of those, I'll leave a link in the description. But this next example I found is one from UpX. UpX is a company where you can launch ads in just 3 clicks, and you can do that all within HighLevel. So you can resell it onto your clients, and whenever they are ready to launch ads, they can just click on the Ads Manager custom menu link, which will open a place where they can just click the ad they want, add their price, and click launch. So that's an awesome custom menu example, as well as a great service to offer to your clients. But that just shows you a couple examples of the flexibility that you can do with custom menu links. If anyone can think of a custom menu link joke, please let me know in the comments. And for those who stayed until the end of the video, I will leave a free template to the launchpad example that I went over in this video down in the description. And if this video helped you and you want to chat more one-on-one and get Keaton's input on things, feel free to join the community by signing up for a free trial of HighLevel, upgrading your account, or just paying directly. It's only $97 a month. You will also get access to over $8,000 worth of goodies and bonuses. I look forward to seeing you in there. Thanks for watching.